Hi Arjun, I understand that you are thinking about your future plans. How can I assist you today?
Yes, sir. I am actually unsure about what's the future plan. So I'm interested in process design, but I don't know where to start.
That's a great area to explore. You have several options. You could consider a traditional course at a university, or internship, or even on online courses. Have you thought about online learning?
Yeah, I have, but I'm unsure whether it's effective than in-person classes.
I understand your concern, but online learning has come a long way. For instance, Step in Engineering offers an excellent online process design course starting August 17th. It's structured to be flexible with the weekend sessions so you can study from the comfort of your home.
Okay, that sounds convenient. But what if I miss a session?
No worries. Step in Engineering provides recorded sessions on their YouTube page, accessible in private mode until the end of September. So you can catch up anytime, anywhere.
That's really helpful. So what's included in the course?
Yeah, the course is comprehensive, featuring 10 modules plus a complementary module on AI tools. Assessments will be conducted for each module after the session. If you don't pass, there will be a reassessment and the questions will be discussed in post-session review. Based on your performance, you will receive a certificate.
Yeah, sounds good. But is there any support available if I have a question about the course?
Yes, you will be added to a group with the trainer where you can post your queries. The trainer and the other participants will help answer them, so you are never left without support.
It seems like a good fit for me, but how do I enroll?
Yeah, you can easily sign up on Step in Engineering website. I highly recommend it. This course could be a great step forward in your career.
Yeah, I will check it out and consider enrolling. Your advice is really helpful.
Yeah, good. Anytime, Arjun. I am sure you will make great decisions. Let me know if you need any more information or help with the enrollment process. Okay, bye.